What happens if your ex violates a child custody order? Hi, my name is John Flood, and I'm a divorce and child custody attorney with a principal office in Houston, Texas. I've had many clients come to me through the years with complaints or problems with their ex following a custody order. Violations of a custody order can come in different forms. You can have violations of possession and access provisions, where the other parent withholds possession of the children at a time when you're entitled to have them. You can have violations of conservatorship provisions, that is, decision-making rights can be violated, where, for example, one parent unenrolls a child in school whenever they don't have the right to do that, or when the other parent fails to confer with you before making a medical decision whenever they're supposed to do that. Violations can also be of things like child support, failure to pay child support, or failure to pay unreimbursed health care expenses. And there are others as well, but these are the most common ones that I see. So what can you do? The short answer is you file a motion or petition for enforcement into the court that issued the order. So there's going to be the court that issued the custody order, and for the most part, as a general rule, you're going to file your motion for enforcement into that court. That court has continuing exclusive jurisdiction, so you file a motion for enforcement into that court, and you're asking the court to enforce their order. Now, there are different remedies that are available in an enforcement action, and what those remedies are depend somewhat on the type of violation that we're talking about. So one remedy that you can have sort of across the board for violations of a custody order is contempt of court. And this is, contempt is where a party has violated an order and it's a form of disrespect or dishonor to the court. And contempt carries with it the possibility of criminal sanctions. That is, a party found in contempt of court can be jailed, they can be incarcerated, and then they can also be fined. And so that's one of the things that you can ask, is that the other party be found in contempt and jailed or fined accordingly. You can ask for makeup time. So if they have violated possession and access provisions and you lost a week with your children because they withheld the children, you can ask the court to give you that week back. With child support type violations, you can ask that the amount that they owe, that they're in arrearage, be confirmed, and then they be put on a payment plan where that amount is added to their current child support obligation and it's paid out over time. You can also normally expect to get reimbursed for attorney's fees or some amount of your attorney's fees whenever you do an enforcement action, because you should never have to bring it in the first place.